view range. So I think it's going to be easiest to copy the view template that we've already got applied and then change the view range. So here properties, under view template, just open the plumbing plan and make a copy of that. Just down the bottom left corner, duplicate that one and call that plumbing drainage. Now that's going to have all the same settings as the plumbing plan we've been using. So just say OK to that. Now we can change the plumbing plan to, sorry, that's supposed to be reticulation. So instead of drainage, call it reticulation. So we copy plumbing plan, name the plumbing reticulation. And the plumbing plan will rename to plumbing drainage.
Oh, it's the wrong one. So let's rename duplicate.
Okay, so we should have plumbing drainage and reticulation. Okay with that?
Oops.
Okay,
Get
so
in there.
in the reticulation view template, go to view range, change the bottom just to 0, up plane leave that at 1200, and the top we can leave it 4000. If yours is unlimited, you can leave it unlimited. Apply and OK.
So was that 1200, the cut plane?
The top I've got as
1200, yeah.
cut plane,
1200.
got at 1200.
Yeah, yeah. Sure.
And the bottom is just on the floor level, 0. And the view depth is also 0.
Yep.
Apply. Once we're done there, just apply that and say OK. Okay. Now you can see, because we've changed the view range, we can see the floor traps and also this pipe work here, which we can turn off. I think there should be a filter set up for the sanitary pipe work. Just zoom that. Okay, so you can create a filter for those things and turn it off. We're just going to move on to doing the actual hot and cold water pipe work. I think first we need to create another pipe type. So in your project browser, scroll down to families and then find systems. Expand that one. We don't need to create another type because we've already got domestic cold water and hot water there. And there you can see all the other systems available to us. So that's all good. Now when we start drawing the pipe, we can assign it to a particular system. Before we do that, we'll just find some pipe connectors to put in where our tapware is. So we'll put some in there at every sink and shower. That's the name of the family is actually pipe connector, I'm pretty sure. So let's go to insert flow family. Just give me a second, I just want to find it first. Fixtures, connectors. We will load in the domestic cold water and domestic hot water fixtures. Open those. And repeat that process for the one you didn't load. So plumbing, MEP, fixtures, connectors, and choose your.
What drive does it need?
That should be on the L drive. Oh, no,
Should
sorry.
directly to
Should just be your C drive.
C program
Should be the default library.
Library is Australia.
Select multiple families there.
Drive.
Yeah, I've selected multiple. It didn't say.
Plumbing, MEP, fixtures, connectors.
So the ones we just loaded in should just be, it's just going to look like a piece of pipe.
We're doing hot and cold.
Yep. So we're just loading those in so that we have a point to connect the pipework to. If we had a proper tap family available to us with those connectors on it, we would use that, but these will work for what we need to do. So, now look at this hydraulics drawing. It'll be handy if you could open that up on the screen next to you just to refer to. Sink, we have hot water and cold water. Not hot and cold, by the way. And then for there's another connector for the dishwasher under the bench. So now we'll go ahead and put those in. It tells you the diameter that we need to make these connected. 15. All three of those. We'll put in 2 cold and 1 hot water connection. I'm just going to check in this section how high that sink is. Just place it around those handles. That's it. So 900 off of the floor level, that's where we'll place our hot and cold water for the sink. And the connection for the dishwasher, we will just put that at, say, 500. Should be fine. We connect a dishwasher into. Okay, so we'll go to systems. Okay, so this one's a plumbing fixture that we need to put in there. So systems, plumbing fixture. Mine comes up with the hot water connector. So I'll put that one in. Hot water's on the left. And I'll mount this on the wall. Before I place it, I'll tell them what elevation I want. So 900 we said. And then just place it behind, hopefully you can see the handles for the tap. Place one there. And you can place, you can just keep placing them and then change the type if you like. So just place another one on the right hand side of that sink. Select it, and just in your properties drop down, change that to domestic cold water. So now we've got our cold water and hot water. See the radius, nominal radius is 15. You all okay placing those? Just make sure your elevation is set to 900. So that makes the radius 7.5. So you can select. You can only do one at a time, so select either one, and either properties just change the nominal radius to 7.5. For both of those. And then we'll do our dishwasher. So I'm just going to copy my cold water connector up. By 500. And then I'll change the elevation to 500. So that it's actually within the covered space under the bench. Now we've got our 3 connectors, all 15 diameter in the kitchen. And I'm pretty sure you can place the rest yourself. So go ahead and do that. We've got the laundry hand basin, and then water supply to the washing machine, hot and cold in the bathrooms, and then we also have a rainwater connection to the toilet.